Mortal Kombat 9. I'm gonna be playing Smoke on a ranked match. I'm not being a wimp going on player matches. I'm going ranked every time. This will be interesting. There's no. Oh snap! This guy's got DLC characters. Pick a DLC character. Okay, stuff's going down now. It's Smoke versus Rain. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be interesting.
Where there is smoke, there is fire. Round one. Fight!
I just turned invisible. That was pretty cool. Dang it. Oh, got me with lightning.
Smoke wins.
Yep, my Smoke character totally won that one. Smoke is my favorite character in the game. Try a second match. May or may not be able to squeeze another match in here because of how long it's taking. Oh, here we go. Aw, man. This stuff happens. Hopefully I get a faster opponent here because I only got like 3 minutes 47 seconds on the video. Come on. I'm gonna be Scorpion here.
Scorpion. Rain.
Oh my goodness, it's a rematch of Rain. Rain versus Scorpion. Oh man, I hope I get this. Water bubble. I know I got minutes left, man. Scorpion 1. That was my my ninja. I guess I'm gonna call them my ninja clan. Like I'm good with all the ninja characters in Mortal Kombat. Comment, subscribe for more videos. Leave comments on who you want me to do next. Because I'm going on ranked instead of player match.